What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today we are back using Maschine Plus and also Maschine 3. And today what I want to do is just show you how I made this beat using the Maschine. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video, which is this beat breakdown inside of the Maschine Plus. All right, so the first sound that I'm using comes from BX Uberhausen, which is a Brainworks VST, and I just sort of played in this progression here. The only thing that I really adjusted from this VST here is this attack, because if I turn it all the way down, listen to how it sounds. Just a little bit too much transit for me, so I want to get rid of some of that transient, so I just brought up the attack just a little bit. Bring it up just a little bit more, maybe to about 20, 15-ish, 20-ish. Bring it down just a little bit more. So that just softens it up just a little bit. Once I laid down the foundation for the chords, I pretty much moved on to the drums, and I'm using this plugin called Discoteca Drums from Native Instruments. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. But it comes with a lot of different patterns, but I pretty much programmed it myself. So you have the main, you have the kit, you have the patterns here, you have the different fills, you have some effects, you have some macros. So it's a really awesome plugin. But for these drums, again, I programmed it myself. So if I change my octave, and then for the hi-hat, what I did was I used the note repeat. And pay attention to that velocity. And so that's what you kind of see right here going on in the piano roll. Once I had the basic drums laid down, I pretty much pulled up a leap expansion from Native Instruments, and this one's called a Tile Disco, and I added this plugin called Freak. And basically what that does is just kind of adds like this unique wideness to it. So if I take it off, it just sounds a little bit too clean for me. So with it on, this is what it sounds like. So if we play those two together, this is what we have. So now I have the basic drum pattern, and then I also have the percussion, and then I have my chords. So this is the foundation for the beat. The next thing I added was this sound right here on sound number 4. It's a sound from Super 8, and it's just a bass. So if I solo it by itself, take a listen. So with the bass, what I did was I followed the chords, but played only that last bottom note. So if I put it all together, this is what I have so far. So a nice sort of mid bass. And then I finally used another bass, and this one's a lot thicker, has more bottom end. It comes from Monarch, and I added an EQ, and you can take a listen to what it sounds like with this here. And I will mute the other sound so you can listen to it by itself first. And then let me take out the EQ. And then with the EQ, so just doing some minor enhancements. And then when you plug it in together with this other bass, this is what you have. So the goal is just to make this a little bit thicker, because if I take out this other bass, I feel like I'm missing something. And if I take out this bottom one, it doesn't sound like it's deep enough. So with them together, it just creates a richer texture. And then finally, I'm adding some more sounds here. This comes from Discoteca Keys. And it's just simple pattern. Then I added another layer. So the same thing with just another sound. And then those together. And so when I put it all together, this is what I have now. So these last two sounds that I added could be pretty much used for a hook. So if I wanted just to have the verse, it would sound something like this here. So that is how I use Maschine 3 to create disco style beats for artists such as The Weeknd. Again, I'm gonna leave links in the description box below. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Styles on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.